Hey Rush fam, welcome back to Chain Rush. Today we're breaking down Bitcoin's explosive move towards $95,000 and the insane $2.7 billion ETF inflows behind it. What's causing this rally? How are ETFs pushing Bitcoin higher? And where could Bitcoin go next? Stick around. You don't want to miss this. First, what's a Bitcoin ETF? A Bitcoin exchange-traded fund lets investors get exposure to Bitcoin without holding the actual coins. They simply buy ETF shares. When they do, the fund must buy Bitcoin to back those shares, which pumps real demand into the market. Think of it like a massive pipeline pouring Wall Street money straight into Bitcoin. Now, the numbers that have everyone buzzing. In the week ending April 26, 2025, Bitcoin ETFs saw $2.7 billion in net inflows, the strongest week since 2016. On April 22nd alone, $912 million flowed into Bitcoin ETFs, over 400 times the 2025 daily average of $2.1 million. Then, on April 24th, another $443.5 million poured in, led by BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, pulling $330.1 million, and RK21 shares, adding $97.8 million. This demand surge pushed Bitcoin's price from about $94,279 on April 22nd to just under $95,000 by April 26th. Why does this matter so much? When ETFs get new money, they physically buy Bitcoin off the exchanges. That reduces the available supply, and basic economics says when supply shrinks and demand rises, prices shoot up. For example, $2.7 billion equals roughly 28,723 Bitcoin at an average price of $94,000. That's a huge amount of Bitcoin being locked up by institutions, taking it off the open market. Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas even called it Pac-Man mode, because ETFs are just gobbling up Bitcoin non-stop. Now, ETFs aren't the only thing at play. Let's zoom out. Regulatory changes. US banking regulators are easing crypto restrictions, and the new SEC chair is much more crypto-friendly. This opens the floodgates for even more big players to enter. Whale accumulation on-chain data shows whales, big investors, are stacking Bitcoin aggressively right now. More whales equals more demand equals stronger prices. Overall crypto momentum. It's not just Bitcoin. SUI is up 62% this week. Doge jumped 35%. The whole market is rallying, but Bitcoin is leading. So, how high can Bitcoin go? Analysts predict Bitcoin could hit $130,000 by the end of 2025, thanks to these ETF inflows and growing institutional demand. Longer term, ARK Invest forecasts Bitcoin reaching up to $2.4 million by 2030 in a bullish scenario. Massive targets, but remember, Bitcoin is volatile, and nothing moves in a straight line. In short, Bitcoin's rocket toward $95,000 is being powered by an insane $2.7 billion ETF inflow wave, plus regulatory green lights and whale buying. The institutions are here, the money is flowing, and Bitcoin's future looks stronger than ever. What do you think? Are we on the path to $130,000 this year? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Link in bio.